Looking for the best pickleball paddles of 2025? In this video, we'll reveal the top picks that offer the perfect mix of control, power, and durability for every skill level. Stick around to find your perfect paddle and elevate your game to the next level. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Doul Pickleball Paddles. If you're searching for the best pickleball paddles 2025, look no further than the Doul Pickleball Paddles. This top-tier set is USAPA approved, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're just starting your pickleball journey or refining your skills, these paddles deliver unmatched quality and performance. Crafted with a durable fiberglass surface, these paddles ensure excellent control and power, perfect for any player level. The lightweight design reduces wrist strain, while the cushioned grip provides maximum comfort during extended gameplay. It's no surprise that these paddles are considered one of the top-rated pickleball paddles 2025. This set includes 2 or 4 paddles, 4 pickleball balls, and a convenient pickleball bag, offering incredible value. The versatile design makes it the best pickleball paddle for beginners 2025, but it's also a fantastic choice for seasoned players looking for a competitive edge. Plus, this set doubles as a great gift for pickleball enthusiasts. Elevate your game with the Doul Pickleball Paddles, a blend of style, quality, and performance. Don't miss out on this complete set to dominate the court in 2025. Watch the full video for an in-depth review and buying tips. Number 2. CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle. Are you ready to elevate your pickleball game in 2025? Let's talk about the CRBN X Series Power Pickleball Paddle, one of the best pickleball paddles for 2025. Crafted with high-performance carbon fiber, this paddle offers incredible power and precision with every shot. The foam-injected edges are a standout feature, expanding the sweet spot and providing better control and durability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this paddle helps you maximize your game with its superior design. Looking for a lightweight pickleball paddle in 2025? The CRBN X Series delivers just that. It's not only powerful but also easy to maneuver, allowing for quick reactions and effortless handling. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue, so you can play longer without compromising performance. For players on a budget, the CRBN X Series Power Paddle offers the best budget pickleball paddle for 2025, balancing price and performance. It's the perfect option if you want premium features at an affordable price. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality pickleball paddle in 2025, the CRBN X Series Power Paddle with its carbon fiber construction, foam-injected edges, and lightweight design is a game-changer. Don't miss out. Grab yours today and take your pickleball skills to the next level. Number 3. Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. Looking for the best pickleball paddles of 2025? The Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is here to take your game to the next level. Designed with cutting-edge technology, this paddle features a 3K carbon abrasion surface, CAS, providing exceptional durability and spin control. Whether you're playing aggressively or strategically, this paddle ensures precision and power on every shot. When it comes to power and consistency, the T700 raw carbon fiber construction stands out. It delivers unmatched strength, making it one of the best pickleball paddles for spin in 2025. The combination of this powerful material and the paddle's sleek design ensures you can dominate the court with confidence. What's more, the 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core offers superior feel and stability, absorbing impact for smoother, more controlled shots. This paddle is USAPA approved, so you can trust it in both casual games and competitive play. In this pickleball paddle review for 2025, we highlight everything you need to know about the carbon fiber pickleball paddle. From its lightweight design to its advanced materials, it's perfect for players who want precision, power, and spin in their game. For those seeking high-performance paddles that combine quality, durability, and exceptional spin control, this carbon fiber paddle is a must-have for 2025. Number 4. Tenv Pickleball Paddle. The Tenv Pickleball Paddle is a top contender for the best pickleball paddles of 2025, designed for players who want ultimate control and power. Featuring the advanced 2025 PowerNova Multilayer K29 Aramid textured fiber, this paddle ensures precise control and a forceful spin, making it a must-have for serious players. If you're aiming for precision on every shot, this paddle's texture provides the grip you need to take your game to the next level. Equipped with a TPC honeycomb core, this paddle offers an exceptional balance of durability and responsiveness. The core ensures maximum stability, absorbing shock and providing superior touch for a more controlled feel. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned player, this paddle delivers consistent performance every time. If you're searching for durable pickleball paddles in 2025, the Tenv paddle stands out. Its tough construction is built to withstand intense play, making it an ideal choice for players looking for long-lasting reliability. The combination of durability, spin control, and precise handling makes it one of the best pickleball paddles for control in 2025. Upgrade your pickleball gear with the Tenv PowerNova paddle and experience improved accuracy, power, and spin. Perfect for those serious about performance, this paddle ensures you stay competitive on the court in 2025. Number 5. Pickleball Paddle Set. Introducing the Pickleball Paddle Set of 2, one of the best pickleball paddles of 2025 for both beginner and advanced players. This set includes high-quality paddles that feature a graphite surface with high grit and spin, designed to elevate your game by enhancing control and shot precision. Whether you're smashing or spinning, these paddles ensure you get maximum performance on the court. Looking for the best professional pickleball paddles in 2025? This set meets the demands of serious players, offering exceptional grip and power with every hit. The lightweight polymer honeycomb core ensures durability while providing a responsive feel, so you can react quickly during fast-paced rallies. The non-slip grip adds comfort, allowing for better control and fewer mishits. For players seeking affordable pickleball paddles in 2025, this set offers unbeatable value. It includes 2 paddles, 4 outdoor balls, and a convenient carrying bag, everything you need to play with friends, family, or in your next tournament. Plus, the paddles are USAPA approved, ensuring they meet high standards for both recreational and competitive play. Upgrade your pickleball gear with this affordable and high-performing set, perfect for players of all skill levels. Get your hands on these paddles today and experience why they are among the best pickleball paddles of 2025. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.